These virtual tour photos were captured with the Insta360 X5 and Best360 monopod and edited on the computer using Insta360 Studio and Affinity. There is no need for expensive subscription software like Lightroom or Photoshop because with the help of the Best360 Virtual Tour Enhancer Effects plugin, I can color grade and edit 360 photos using the free Affinity software. So let me show you how you can get these results. The X5 is the best consumer 360 camera on the market today for virtual tours. So if you haven't got one already, now is the best time to buy. Because during the Black Friday and Christmas period, you're going to get the best deal on the X5 all year round. So to get the biggest discounts and free accessories with your X5, click my affiliate link in the video description. To capture the virtual tour photos, I am using 360 photo mode. Change HDR to AEB. Set the AEB to 7, exposure step to ±1.3, and format to Pure Shot plus RAW. White balance to auto. Now move the X5 around the room and tap the shutter button to take the virtual tour photos. The next step is to take the dual fisheye photos from the camera and turn them into Stitch 360 photos in Insta360 Studio on the computer. To do this, create a new project folder for the virtual tour and create 3 folders inside, a RAW folder to hold the file straight out of the camera, a Stitch folder to hold the Stitch 360 photos from Insta360 Studio, and an Exports folder to hold the finished edited photos from Affinity. Then I copy all the photos from the X5's microSD card into the RAW folder. Open Insta360 Studio, go to Open Files, locate the project folder, go to the RAW folder. I only want to import the DNGs because these are the high quality photos, so I will sort the files by kind, select all the DNGs and click Open. Insta360 Studio will automatically sort and merge the photos automatically. Select all the photos, click Export, Export 360 photo, save the Stitch 360 photos in the Project Stitch folder, choose Original Resolution, check Export all exposure photos, and click Start Export. When the export is finished, in the Stitch folder, there will be a new folder for each Stitch 360 photo. In each folder is a set of 7 Stitch 360 photos, and the 8th file is the set of 7 Stitch 360 photos merged together into a single Stitch DNG 360 photo. The next step is to HDR merge the set of 7 photos in Affinity. This will give a higher quality result than using the JPEG output from Insta360 Studio. To do this, download Affinity for free and buy the Best360 Virtual Tour Enhancer Effects. Together, this will cost a total of £30 for a lifetime license. To install the Best360 Virtual Tour Enhancer Effects, open Affinity, go to Window, Pixel, Library, click the drop-down icon, Import Macros, open the Best360 Virtual Tour Enhancer Effects, and now the Insta360 camera presets are available in the library. Next, go to File, New Image Process, HDR Merge, Add, go to the Project Stitch folder, make sure the files are in ascending order, select the set of 7 Stitch 360 photos, click Open, uncheck Automatically Align Images, Noise Reduction, Tone Mapping, and click OK. Wait for the photo to finish processing. And now Affinity has merged the set of 7 Stitch 360 photos into a single Stitch 360 photo. This is where the magic happens. Select the 360 photo, and with a single click of the X5 preset, the 360 photo has the maximum dynamic range possible a color grade applied, and a seamless stitch line. If the photo temperature is too cool or too warm, then I will adjust the white balance. If there are purple or blue color casts in the photo, then I will adjust the defringe to remove this. If the photo is too dark or too bright, then I will adjust the contrast points. If the photo color is too dull or too colorful, then I will adjust the color. If there is too much noise or grain, then I will adjust the denoiser strength. And if the photo is too soft or too sharp, then I'll adjust the sharpness. The next step is to adjust the center point of the 360 photo. Select the 360 photo, go to Pixel, Live Projection, Equirectangular, change the heading to the desired center point, click Center Coordinate System, and this is the new center point of the 360 photo. To remove the tripod legs from the 360 photo, select the photo, go to Pixel, Live Projection, Edit, look down at the bottom of the 360 photo, select the In-Painting Brush tool, make the width of the brush slightly bigger than the tripod legs, make a selection over the tripod legs, and now the tripod legs have magically disappeared. It's really easy to remove because the Best 360 monopod selfie stick is invisible and the tripod legs are long and thin. To save the 360 photo, select the photo, go to Pixel, Live Projection, Remove, then go to File, Export, Export again, select JPEG Best Quality, make sure Enable Metadata is checked, click Export, open the Exports folder in the project, name the photo, click Save, and wait for the photo to export. To preview the 360 photo, open Insta360 Studio, drag and drop the exported photo into Insta360 Studio, and this is the result. To use a custom X5 preset for other virtual tour photos in the tour, HDR Merge the next photo, copy the Best 360 Virtual Tour Enhancer Effects folder from the previous photo, paste it above the next photo, and that's it. If you found this video useful, then please share this video with your real estate friends on social media, and I'll see you in the next video.